Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: shell access and the chapter files. First, verify permissions and sudo if a command fails, because missing rights block progress. Next, list directories with ls/lasso so you see hidden puzzle files. Once done, use cat on readme to capture initial hints and open suspicious files in an editor. Make sure to search strings with grep for keywords. This finds encoded clues fast and prevents blind guessing as you begin solving. Now you dive into decoding and controlled exploitation. When you find weird blobs, try base64d, tr-azazi-nzam for rot13, or xxdr for hex because those reveal hidden commands. For binaries, run file and strings, then ltrace or strace to observe syscalls. Once you know inputs, craft payloads carefully. Pipe outputs between tools, redirect to temp files, and keep notes. This helps you correlate clues. In the final stage, execute the validated command sequence or exploit on a safe copy first, because one mistake can corrupt puzzle state. Once executed, confirm success by locating the expected flag format or observing the unlocked service response. If a file changed, inspect it to ensure integrity. If something fails, roll back to your backup, rerun diagnostics like permissions and dependency versions, and retrace recent commands to find the point of failure, so you can retry without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.